So guys, pag-uusapan natin ay kung paano po ba mag-create ng account po sa Tala app po or yung loan app po na kung saan ay pwede tayong humiram ng pera online po. Ito po ay kung paano mag-create ng account. Of course guys, kung gusto niyo mag-create ng account, makikita niyo po sa description box yung atin pong link and makikita niyo po, pwede po kayo mag-sign up doon. So medyo matagal-tagal na rin po itong Tala app at marami na rin pong gumagamit. So mag-create po tayo ng account So click po natin yung app. Ayan, madadownload niyo po yan doon po sa ating pong description box po, nandun po siya. Of course, kung may account ka na, sign in. Kung wala pa, get started, ayan po, pwede nating scroll para makita nyo po kung ano yung mga features po ni Tala, ayan po. So, get started po tayo. Click natin yan. Of course, ayan po, sabi dito, Viber account number, enter the number associated with your Viber account, will send you a message to verify your number. So, kailangan po, mayroon po kayong Viber account po. Ayan po, yung Viber po, madi-download nyo po yan sa atin pong Play Store. And of course, yung atin pong tutorial kung paano mag-create ng Viber account, makikita nyo po sa end screen or sa ating pong description box. Pwede nyo pong i-check doon kung paano mag-create ng account. So, enter po natin yung ating number, 09183851 Ayan po, so verify. Okay, click natin. Sabi dito, resend code in 58 seconds. So, check natin kung nag-send na sila ng code sa ating pong number or sa ating pong Viber. Check natin yung ating pong Viber account. Ayan po, check natin yung ating Viber account. Ito, ating Viber. Ito po, yung chat ni Tala po. Ayan po, Ayan po, check natin yan. And of course, yung code po, i-cover ko lang. Ayan po, sinend na po sa ating pong Viber account yung ating pong code. Cover ko lang po. Ayan, then continue tayo. Choose 4-digit pin po. Kung anong gusto nyong gamitin. For example, ay i-cover ko po ulit. Sabi, number can be in order or going up. Example, 1, 2, 3. Number can be in order. Okay po, so kailangan po ay precise po yung number natin. So, pindutin natin next. Tapos, sabi niya dito ay, enter po uli natin. This will be your Tala password. So, okay. Enter uli natin. Confirm. Kailangan guys, tandaan niyo yung inyo pong PIN. So, from here, ayan, allow us to know your better so we can process your application. Tala, prioritize your data privacy to rest assured. Assured that the information you share is confidential. Call data used to security link, account, device, and prevent fraud. Ayan, SMS use to access financial activity and determine contacts. And of course, basahin natin mabuti, of course, location. Okay. Pwedeng SIM data collected availability. So, guys, basahin nyo po ito. Napaka-importante niyan. And of course, yung privacy. Ayan po, data privacy. And pwede nyo rin pong mabasa dito. So, start my application po tayo. Pindutin natin. So, while the app is using only this time, of course, only this time tayo. Allow Tala to access your contacts. Allow natin. Allow Tala to make a manage phone call. Allow Tala to send and view SMS message. Allow. Of course, allow natin yan. Don't miss out on help reminders to help you grow. So, of course, pwede nyo i-allow yung notification kung gusto ninyo makareceive ng notification from them or skip. Ayan po. Ako po, i-skip ko for now. And, ayan po, so, allow notification, X ko po yan, kasi ayaw po nang may nag-notify sa akin. So, ito po yung continue, ayan, borrow your way, ayan, so, apply once and get repeat access when you need it, ayan po, so, continue with application, check muna natin yung ating account, ayan, profile, and of course, profile natin na ito na po yung ating pong phone number. So, invite friends. Ay, of course, guys, ilalagay ko po itong link natin sa ating pong description box. Balik tayo sa home. Of course, ito lang po ang laman niya. Sabi, earn up to 200 peso. Pero, try natin po yung continue application. Ayan, kung ano po ba kikita niyo. Loan application, how did you hear Tala? Ayan po, may mga questions dito. Ayan, of course, family or friends, radio, outdoor, online ads, TV, others. So, online ads po tayo. So, pindutin natin yung online ads. Ayan, then enter promo code or referral code. Guys, yung referral code, makikita nyo po yan sa description box, para kumita rin po kayo. Ayan po, ilalagay ko po yung referral code sa ating pong description box. And of course, kung paano mag-create ng account, yung link nandun din po, So, ayan po, para kumita kayo ng at least 200 peso po. Next natin, ayan, personal information, legal first name. Of course, yung mga first name ninyo, yung pangalan ninyo, ayan, seen on your ID po na ipipresent ninyo. Of course, legal middle name as seen as your ID also, so legal name ninyo, and middle name pala, sorry, ayan po, last name, ayan po, na nasa ID, of course, date of birth, ayan po, place birth, nandito rin po, and, ayan, single ka ba, married, widow, ayan po, legally separated, meron dyan nakalagay, kailangan natin mother's full maiden name, nung dalaga po siya, ayan, gender po, ayan ninyo, ayan, nakalagay dyan, gender po ninyo yan, ha, ayan po, then of course, email address, alternative mobile number, option na naman po, so, i-fill up ko po muna ito lahat, pero i-cover ko po, so of course, first name natin, legal middle name, cover lang po natin, guys, and last name, of course, yung ating month date, pindutin natin yon. So, 11, date 08, year is 1988. Madali lang naman po siya. Place of birth, kailangan natin Metro Manila, ilagay natin. Of course, search city, ayan po, Quezon City tayo, So, Quezon City ako pinanganak. Then, of course, single tayo. And, Amelia, of course, yung, ng ating mother, dalaga pa po siya, kanya pong middle name and full name po niya. Okay, then of course mail, email address natin, course guys, yung inyo pong email address, paki-complete po, Yung number naman po, optional daw. So, pindutin na natin yung next. Ayan, please tell us where you live. Of course, lagay natin dito yung, hanapin natin yung location natin. Okay, ako ay from Quezon. Search city. Course, Calawag, barangay, of course, type natin, permanent, street, address, house, building, or street, ayan po, okay, then, permanent address, postal code, ayan po yung postal code natin, yung postal code ng Calawag, 4318. Is your present address the same as your permanent address? Lagyan na lang natin yes, Okay, next natin. So, pindutin natin yung, please tell us more about yourself. Do you own this phone? Yes, this phone is mine. Did you get it new or used? Did you get it new or used? New. How long have you been using this phone? I think mga na po, mga 1 year to 3 1 year to 3 years, ayan po. So, UMID ID o anong ID po ang available ninyo? So, sa akin po UMID. Of course, pindutin natin yung confirm. And, mamili po kayo ng mga ID dyan, tapos pindutin natin yung next. So, check information. How did you hear about online personal information po ninyo? Ito, ko-cover ko lang po uli yung mga information, yung ano pinilapan ninyo kanina. So, save nyo na po sa baba. Ayan po, save natin. And, purpose for borrowing, business expenses, bills payment, personal expenses po ang lalagay natin. What kind of personal expenses is this? Emergency expenses. Please describe how will you use money in more details. For work, for example, for family support. Ayan po. For example, ganyan. So, education and work. Which of the following best describe your level of education? Ayan, secondary, master, PhD, college, and okay. Ito tayo sa college. What type of works do you do? Employed, consultant, self-employed, business owner, not employed, student, self-employed, freelancer. Dito tayo sa freelancer kasi YouTuber po tayo. Next natin. So, please answer question regarding your gigs, freelancing, or contractual jobs. What industry is this? Answer po. Banking, construction. Hanapin nyo po dito yung entertainment, financial sector, government, hotel and restaurant, household, manufacturer, medical, public, real estate, rental. Pwede po ako sa real estate kasi nag-real estate din naman ako. So, pili lang po kayo doon. How long have you worked here? Ayan po kung gano'n na kayo katagal. So, 1 to 2 years. 2 to 5 years po ako. So, of course, how frequently do you get paid each month? Once a month. Of course, lagay natin. Next natin. And, ito na naman po. So, kailangan natin i-fill up ito uli. Ayan po. When will, ayan po, you be paid next? Month, date, and year. So, lagay natin dito yung month. Anong month po ba ngayon? July. January, February, March, April, May, June, July. So, 05. Date, 25. And year is 2005. Of course. How much money in peso did you earn in the last 30 days? At least 20,000 po. For example, next natin. How much does your pay change from 1 month to the next month? Gaano kalaki yung nagiging changes? Little changes. So, is this job temporary? No. Ayan po. So, lagay natin next. Answer above question. Nasaan yung answer above question natin? So, this one. When will you be paid next? Anong mali dito? Lagay natin 5. Natin ay 6. Try natin. Okay, 6. Other income sources. What is your primary source of funds? Allowance, business profit, commission, inheritance, loan, salary, pension, salary tayo, of course. What other sources of funds do you have aside from your employment or business? International remittance. Okay. Kasi sa YouTube po tayo kumukuha. Other income sources, when do you receive international remittance? Once a year, twice a year, once a month? Of course, is this primary source of income? Yes. So, how much money average do you receive each payment in peso? So, let's say 20,000 po. So, more or less. So, next natin. 20,000 peso. So, additional information, do you have any outstanding loan? No. So, how much peso in total did you spend in basic needs, rent, utility bills? Let's say, mga around 7,000. Okay. So, check information again. Nandito na po ulit yung mga information. Of course, submit application tayo. Ayan po. Pindutin natin submit. Ayan po. Of course, pwede natin basahin nyo po itong kanila pong agreement po. Terms and condition. Basahin po natin. And of course, continue. Pagkatapos yung basahin, agree and continue po. Agree and continue. Ayan po. So, application under review na po tayo. So, ayan po. So, please keep your notification enabled so we can update you on the status po. Yun po, may account na po tayo sa Tala at maghihintay na lang po tayo ng confirmation kung ma-approve po tayo. Ayan po. So, that's our tutorial guys here around. God bless.